What's up, everybody? It's 3 p.m. on a Tuesday and we've just arrived at our install. You see the counters, and then it gets a 4-inch backsplash. I didn't think it was going to be too bad of an install, but the walls are really bowed. So back here, I think I'm going to go ahead and cut the walls so that of course I can push this back in there so that I have space to get this one in. Ideally, I'd like to move this cooktop out of there to get this one in. Otherwise, I need to raise this one up with a 2x4 so that I can slide under it. I really think I need to cut the walls, which is going to cost us some time. So, just like always, I will show you what we do and how we get through it. Sorry I'm talking low, but I've got some issues with my throat, so bear with me. So we're going to get going on this and see what we can do. I'm going to get started cutting these walls. Also, I'm starting to feel like a superstar, guys. Last week we had a camera on top of the refrigerator. This time we've got one kind of on the table on top of a it's not a coffee maker, but it's, I forget what they're called. Anyways, I've got one at home. You put the water in that little reservoir there that the camera's on, and then you make your coffee and it has your foam on top of the coffee. But anyway, definitely won't be getting naked because of the heat now. Dang it. Just wanted to show everybody how bad the bows are in these walls. I'm using a piece of backsplash to get my top line where I'm cutting the walls, and look how bad that bow is. I mean, we're looking at a 1/2 inch bow there. It's bad. And although I did cut the stone to the bows in the template material is only an 1/8 inch thick, you know, so it's only matching up to the bow down here. So I'm sure it's not plumb, seeing it's that bad bowed, which means it's going to change as it goes up as well. Look at this. Talk about a bow. Yes, sir.
There's off the cabinet on this.
Yeah.
It's so bad.
Yeah. We got a bow. Guys, I'm going to try to make this as fast as possible because I don't like that sitting under there. But I want to show you guys, if you got a situation like this and you got a gas cooktop, you don't want to unhook it and all that. You can take a 2x4, prop it under that, and lift this up, and then you can work this piece up under there, because you're going to have to get it square against that wall to get it back against this cabinet. And heaven forbid it bottlenecks toward us and it's tighter in the front than the back. That's also why I went ahead and cut the wall so we can go deep and try not to scratch the cabinet and get it back in there. But they still ain't nothing easy about getting it in this spot. I just wanted to show you guys how to do it. Alright guys, we got her in, and just like I knew, it wasn't going to be easy. But we got it in place, so now we just got to, you know, square everything up, get it setting like it's supposed to set, and do the backsplash. We got it in, that's the main part. Alright, I'm just trying to do a better job of updating you guys throughout the video. All the tops are in, I got them, you know, set how they're supposed to. I got the seam put together here. Right there, it turned out pretty good. Peeling the plastic off, and I'm gonna start working on this backsplash. Alright guys, we got everything finished and complete. I think everything turned out well. Aftercare sheet there, swept and cleaned up everything. Had some major bows like I showed you earlier. We went ahead and caulked them out. There's a lot of caulk, but really know what else you can do with them, you know. So went with white silicone. I thought that looked best. And I think we're good to go. I appreciate y'all watching, and I'll see you on the next one.